Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Onion holder for slicing, lemon slicer, onion cutter for slicing, vegetable cutter for potato and tomato, avocados, eggs, food slicer assistant tool for slicing fruit, lemon and meat. Multifunctional onion slicer. JAYVAR onion holder slicer features a unique design with 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, ensuring a comfortable grip and preventing slippage while cutting. It allows for even and precise slicing of onions, tomatoes, lemons, and meats. Versatile kitchen tool. This food slicing helper is not limited to onions. It can be used for various fruits, vegetables, and meats. Its sturdy construction and sharp stitches make it suitable for different cutting tasks. Convenient and easy, the onion holder slicer allows you to replace your hands while cutting. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy for anyone to use. Time-saving design. Say goodbye to tedious and time-consuming slicing. Our stainless steel onion holder is designed with sharp stitches to prevent slippage and ensure even cuts, ensuring greater safety while slicing onions, avocados, eggs, and other vegetables. Thanks for watching and subscribe.